Alrighty, folks, back out here. Just got out here. It's around 7 o'clock. Got Jeff with me today. He's already started fishing. Gonna see what we can do. Water temperature is like 45. It's like 38 degrees right now. We'll see if we can wake some of them up. See if we can catch a big one. Y'all come with us. Well, I got into some bait fish, I think. Right there. See it? I got two of them. All right, got one. First one, not a bad one. I finally got the skunk out of the boat. Jeez. So he's not a bad one at all. Yes, sir. I can handle that one. There we go. There you go, folks. Nice one to start off. I'm gonna say he's probably a little under 2 pounds. Might as well. Yeah, I would have thought 1.5 pounds. Let this bad boy go. And there she goes. All the way down. Do it. Stay down. There he is. See? I need to sing more natural women. That'll be the day. Oh, yes. That's a gooder. I saw him follow it and just...
That's crazy, you saw him.
I saw him before he even did it. Oh, buddy. All right. I was playing around Jeff, singing women's songs. He's a girl song, and all of a sudden I catch this bad boy. Gosh knows, that was thick. Let's see. Yes, sir. What we got here? 317. He's short, but he's big. He's not that long. 317. Okay. Yes, sir. I'll live with that one. Yes, sir. Look at that. One last look at it and let's let him go. There he goes. Boy, them shad are feeding like crazy. Look at them, get them to catch two on them on one lure. All right, guys. Fixing to go get the truck. Just got the boat, and it's a rough day. And it just was slow. Poor Jeff didn't catch nothing this day. That happens sometimes. But still cold. It was super windy. You know, my little Ginger XL Classic gets moved around a lot, so had to be particular where we fished at, just so that we could fish good. But still fun to be out here. Appreciate you watching. We'll be back soon. And always remember, God loves you. See you next time.